What are some of the big trends that you saw this year at the conference?
So, RSA is probably the largest cybersecurity conference. It's got 40,000, I think 44,000 people this year. And then there's another 10,000 that are doing surround conferences that aren't actually in it, but in recent, I've seen more and more storefronts rented and hotels and just more and more around events. Over 700 speakers, over 600 vendors. And this year, for the first time, the conference actually hosted a page that tracked all the parties you could go to. So that was weird. Another thing that was crazy is there were goats and puppies at vendor booths for petting, which I'd never seen before. DARPA actually came and had a side venue where they rented out another building and they ran their cyber challenge. So again, there were 3 or 4 other conferences next to the conference that were loosely affiliated. Of course, the biggest topic there was AI, agentic AI or agents, non-human identities, assistants, typical large language model security and threat usage. So by far the biggest topic. Right behind that was probably APIs. Some talk on quantum. We have that in a lot of, it's coming, it's going to have a big impact. And then the fourth topic was RSA is trying to make a 365 community. You've seen them in the past where they have 365 webcasts. Now they're trying to develop an online community, and that was a big push to try to get everybody into these discussions. There was one new track I was really excited about, a track focused on protect your home and family. I personally, as a CISO, that is my most attended security course. How to protect your loved ones. And so it's great to see a track on that. If you have access or can go watch some of those videos, a great way to turn around and turn that into a training program because people will attend that. For me, I think I really enjoyed, all the discussions around the CISO rule, what's changing, where are budgets being spent, and that continued focus on CISOs need to be better business partners and less technical advisors. Kind of a long answer, but it's a huge show.